How to make homemade charcoal mask for acne treatment. Acne and pimples are worst skin condition. Acne appears when hair follicles become plugged into oil and dead skin cells. It often causes blackheads, whiteheads, and pimples on the face. However, hormonal changes and other factors are causes of acne-type skin problem. Stress can be an extra driving force that is a big issue of acne. We are used wrong skin products that are causes of pimples and acne on the skin. We also clean our face frequently or intensely. Many effective acne treatments are available on the market, but acne can be persistent. If you are worried this common skin condition, then you are in the right article. So I'll share a very easy and simple homemade charcoal mask for acne treatment. Easy and simple homemade charcoal mask for acne treatment. Ingredients for homemade charcoal mask are 3 teaspoons of raw milk, 2 teaspoons of charcoal powder. How to apply. Add 2 teaspoons of the charcoal mask in a bowl and 3 teaspoons of fresh raw milk in it. Make a thick paste. Now apply this charcoal mask on your face for 20 to 30 minutes. After that, peel off the charcoal mask. That will clear your skin, an effective remedy for acne treatment at home naturally. After this, your skin should feel smooth, soft, and your pores should be visibly refined. Benefits of charcoal mask for acne treatment. If you have acne, you should use a charcoal mask to get rid of acne. It works wonder in fighting off acne-caused germs. The charcoal mask has inflammation properties that keeping your pores clean. Charcoal mask also helps to flush out all impurities and keep your complexion fair and glowing. It can be used as an effective blackhead spots treatment. If you are struggling with oil skin, then this charcoal mask helps to balance oily skin type and will gently exfoliate for skin. Moreover, the charcoal mask is very effective and best acne treatment because it has antibacterial, antioxidant, and natural exfoliator properties. You should try it at home for acne treatment. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day.